How to start a claim using State Farm account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to help you how to start a claim in your State Farm account. So, you got into an accident or face unexpected damage. Don't worry, filing a claim with State Farm is easier than you think. So, filing a claim simply means informing your insurance company about the loss or damage and requesting compensation based on your policy. So, it is important for financial protection, quick assistance, peace of mind, and policy benefits. So you can head over to your browser, go to statefarm.com and go to the three lines in the top left. Now there you'll need to tap on claims, and there you can see file a claim option. So you'll need to tap there and you'll need to put in your login details, your policy number if available, or you can see that there is claims for non-customers as well. And you need to put in the details of the incident like the date, time, location, photos or videos of the damage, and any other relevant documents like police report, medical records, and more. And then you need to double check all the details and submit your claim. So just keep in mind that report the incident as soon as possible and be honest and accurate with information and keep copies of all the documents. So filing a claim in farm account is a simple process that can save you from major financial stress. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.